So today I had not that much shopping, but it fits easily in. So I dump my phone in here. I take out the seat, and here in the behind there's plenty of space. As you can see, I had it can disappear completely. Here is a lot of space here. Here's still a lot of space. Here below my seat is still a lot of space. Beside is a lot of space. So you can definitely do pretty good shopping in Velomobile. If you liked our video, please consider subscribing of it. If you want to let some comments behind with some ideas from other videos, just put it in the comments. We have also a website, velomobileworld.com. Have a look. Have a great day. Bye bye.